Welcome to Ride Radar. Today, we're diving into one of the most surprising automotive comebacks of the decade, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran. Known for its affordability and simplicity, the Mehran has long been a favorite among budget-conscious drivers in Pakistan and other developing markets. Now, in 2025, Suzuki has brought it back, with a twist. Design evolution. The 2025 Mehran stays true to its roots with a compact hatchback body, but it's no longer stuck in the 90s. The boxy shape has been softened slightly, and Suzuki has added subtle curves and a new front grille to modernize the look. LED headlights and a refreshed rear design make it feel more current, while still recognizable as a Mehran. Performance and engine. Suzuki has replaced the old carbureted engine with a new 800cc FE unit that meets Euro 5 standards. This upgrade brings better fuel efficiency, lower emissions, and smoother performance. The 2025 Mehran still focuses on simplicity, but now it offers a more refined and quieter drive. A 5-speed manual transmission remains standard, with no automatic variant announced yet. Interior and features. Inside, the changes are minimal but practical. The dashboard has been redesigned with a basic digital instrument cluster and a central infotainment system. Yes, finally a touchscreen. Don't expect luxury, but essentials like air conditioning, power windows, and USB charging ports are now included in the top variant. The seating remains basic but more comfortable than before. Safety updates. This is where Mehran makes its most important leap. Dual airbags, ABS, and seatbelt reminders are now standard, something missing in previous generations. While it won't compete with premium hatchbacks, the 2025 model shows Suzuki's efforts to meet modern safety expectations. Pricing and verdict. The best part, the new Mehran remains budget-friendly. Starting around 1.5 million Pakistani rupees, it's still one of the most affordable cars in the market. It's built for daily use, low maintenance, and maximum value, just like the original. Suzuki is clearly targeting first-time car buyers, small families, and those looking for a reliable city car. Closing thoughts. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran is not revolutionary, but it's exactly what many people have been waiting for, a modernized version of a trusted classic. It brings practicality, economy, and just enough tech to stay relevant in today's market. Thanks for tuning in to Ride Radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts about the new Mehran in the comments below. Is this the comeback we needed? Let us know.